Tex-Mex with some rock and roll, Motown, R&B, and